okay ra sa ko akong kuan. Nakigilawas ko sa iya. Kanang kulay ko. Ano ito? Bisa asa siya sa part sa akong kuan. Okay ra kay ang banam na ko siya. Dili lang ka ng harsh yun. Dili lang ka ng hindi ko sa iyong mga feelings, ana. Dapat nag-love. Nagilawas sa iyong banam. About sa mga boundary, dapat ma-satisfy ng iyong banam. Dapat kuan ang duha gusto ninyo. Para sa kumang na siya.
Ay, panahon nga makiglawas ang akong partner, pindira nga namagwi time nga hindi siya aggressive kay kuan idara na siya. Dayon, pasagdan ra pud nako siya kung sa iyang gusto buhaton kay dali ra manggud kaayo dili na gid ingon nga harsh kay nga paghilabot.
Bahin sa among pagkighilawas ug sa akong asawa, amo ginang ginasabutan og unsay maayo buhaton ug unsay dili maayo buhaton. Kay sa tanan panahon nga among ginabuhat ng mga pamaagi nga na amo ginang ginahuna-huna ug amo po nang ginasabutan og sakto.
Among mga pagando sa magkinabi sa kung imong nanay nga diin mag-sexual mi kanang igo o sa saktong panahon dili lang kay siglang sexual labi na ang pagkinabuhi wala diha kinahanglan gyud mag-sexual so kasi mga na mahimo gali kay salang sa tabatan ulo pa kay ang amo ipalabi ang kaswagan sa atong among pagpuyo gayon nga lambo kami.
And to our insights, after the interview that we organized with several couples, I realized that sexual intercourse will do because of the love for both parties. On the other hand, having sexual intercourse according to the second husband that we interviewed, they limit their sexual intercourse and put it into the right timing. For example, having sex once a week to avoid more children and also for the brighter future of their siblings.
And for couples, we have a special way of connecting intimately through sex. They do it because of the love they feel for each other, willingly sharing their bodies with their partners. And they also understand that sex isn't about just the marriage. It is about love and responsibility towards their family. Sexual intercourse shouldn't be only about satisfying desire, but also reflect commitment to their partners. No matter what happened, even if one of them cannot engage in sex, they will remain faithful to their partner.
Sexual intercourse is one of the ways of showing love to the couple. Based on them, they do sex not just for fun, but it holds a deep meaning to their love. Though they are engaged in sexual activity, they have a limitation sometimes, and also it would not be treated by each other into a harsh thing.
So, couples have different preferences for how often they have sex and what they have enjoyed doing. Before they take action against each other, it is important for them to talk openly and make sure about partners feel comfortable and happy. Besides sex, spouses deal with things like talking each other or communicating well, supporting each other emotionally, making decisions together, sharing responsibilities fairly, and spending quality time together to keep the relationship strong.
And also, respecting each other's limits during sex is key for a healthy relationship. It builds trust, makes both partners happy, and creates a safe space for intimacy.
Sex is a significant, meaningful, and sacred activity for both husband and wife, as it is an expression of their authentic love for each other, as well as a manifestation of their oneness together. Both individuals should aim to do their very best to satisfy the sexual needs of their partner so that it will make both of them feel happy as well as delighted. It should be done by couples with the utmost respect for each other and with a primary motive, which is to show deep affection and make the relationship stronger as well as more intimate.
That will be all. Thank you.